name is Kozue from the Healing Sanctuary. 108という数字は
108. A number of deep significance, representing wholeness, harmony with the universe, and spiritual purification. It is a symbol of awakening, soul growth, and enlightenment. Today, to bring out the greatest happiness and unlock the full potential within your life, we will awaken your dormant energy and elevate your vibration with 108 simple, yet powerful, words. All you need to do is relax and allow yourself to receive the vibrations of these 108 words. And if you happen to drift off to sleep, that's perfectly fine. From a hypnotherapy perspective, listening to this repeatedly for at least 21 days is highly recommended. Let the awakening switch deep within your unconscious mind be turned on, and experience the transformation in your daily life.
希望
Hope,
幸福
happiness,
愛
love,
許し
forgiveness,
感謝
gratitude,
喜び
joy,
笑顔
smile,
元気
vitality,
勇気
courage,
信頼
trust,
尊敬
respect,
友情
friendship,
成功
success,
達成
achievement,
祝福
blessing,
奇跡
miracle,
幸運
good luck,
満足
satisfaction,
解放
liberation,
輝き
radiance,
魅力
charm,
才能
talent,
創造
creativity,
気づき
awareness,
成長
growth,
発展
development,
進歩
progress,
循環
circulation,
上昇
ascension,
寛容
tolerance,
優しさ
kindness,
思いやり
compassion,
共感
empathy,
励まし
encouragement,
応援
assistance,
サポート
support,
正直
honesty,
調和
harmony,
平和
peace,
安全
safety,
安心
relief,
安定
stability,
心地よさ
comfort,
充足感
fulfillment,
豊かさ
abundance,
繁栄
prosperity,
幸
fortune,
恵み
blessing,
ギフト
gift,
宝物
treasure,
夢
dream,
ゴール
goal,
可能性
possibility,
開花
blooming,
好奇心
curiosity,
光
light,
太陽
sun,
月
moon,
星
star,
惑星
planet,
宇宙
universe,
空
sky,
海
ocean,
山
mountain,
自然
nature,
生命
life,
誕生
birth,
新しい扉
new door,
躍動感
dynamic energy,
美しさ
beauty,
地球
earth,
自己表現
self-expression,
健康
health,
富
wealth,
知性
intelligence,
自己一致
self-alignment,
インフィニティ
infinity,
インスピレーション
inspiration,
理解
understanding,
受容
acceptance,
慈悲
compassion,
あるがまま
as you are,
静寂
serenity,
自信
confidence,
誇り
pride,
称賛
praise,
自尊心
self-esteem,
浄化
purification,
無条件の愛
unconditional love,
絆
bond,
つながり
connection,
家族
family,
仲間
companions,
癒し
healing,
一体感
unity,
貢献
contribution,
神聖なる存在
divinity,
覚醒
awakening,
守護
protection,
魂
soul,
真理
truth,
歓喜
delight,
エクスタシー
ecstasy,
永遠
eternity,
higher self
higher self,
自由
freedom,
悟り
enlightenment,
涅槃
nirvana. Breathe slowly again and let the nourishment of these words flow through your entire being. The vibrations of these words will help awaken your cells. With each repetition, these vibrations will rise, guiding transformation from deep within your unconscious mind. For best results, return often. Let this become a sacred habit. Let it be your quiet revolution.
ありがとう